What's going on, guys? It's your boy Working Wayne checking back in with another one. Right here we got a 2015 Cadillac Escalade. 2015. I'm gonna show you guys how to replace that battery, how to take it out, replace it, and put it back. All right. All you guys have to do is pay attention. All right. Let's go take a peek. Okay, guys. These are the tools that you guys gonna need. All right. So I can wrench right here. The extension. This is a number 10 socket and a number 13. All right. Let's go. First thing we gotta do, we gotta move this bracket out of the way. We have to, okay? Move that screw from right there, guys. That screw is a number 13. Move that one from there. Take that one from there as well. Then down here. Okay. Down here, it's two of them, guys. Hold on. Give me a second. Down here. See this screw right there? We're gonna take that screw from there as well, okay? Because this bracket gotta move. We're gonna take this bracket out of there. Alright, so take that screw from right there, that one, and then we're gonna take out this bracket out the way. Once we get this bracket out the way, over here, down there, you guys see that little piece right there? That's what's holding the battery, guys. Believe it or not, that's what's holding the battery. We're gonna take that screw from there, okay? We're gonna take that screw from there and take that piece out. Now, down here, you guys see how, let me show you. You guys see how the battery, hold on, man. Okay, that's better. Look, guys, once you guys take that piece from there and that screw, when you guys go to take out the battery, right here, this bracket right here, you gotta slide the battery back. You're gonna slide it back and take it out. When you guys go to put it back, you gotta slide it back in. All right. Okay, guys. Now, after we take this out of here, this one right here, gonna pick this up. We're gonna lose this. That is a number 10. We're gonna take that screw from there. Don't take it off all the way. Take it partial. We're gonna lose this partial, okay? And then we're gonna take off this piece. Go ahead and take this piece out of there, okay? This piece comes out of there. Once this piece, this piece, you're gonna take off this piece. Once you move this piece on here, then I will show you guys what else to do. But let's get to work. That's one. That's two. That's three. Take this piece out, okay? Take the piece out. Take this piece out, okay? Now we're gonna go ahead and get the one loose from down there. See that? Comes right out. All right, guys? Comes out, okay? Now, I'm gonna tune that. We're gonna switch to the 10. Switch to the 10, okay? See, you're gonna lose it partial, not all the way, partial. Take it up. This one right here, go ahead and take that one loose. That one right there. That one right there, that is a 13 as well, okay? You're gonna take it out all the way, completely. Take it out, set this one back, okay? See, that is loose. Now remember, this is the clip. This black piece right here, that's the clip. Just pry this up and move this arm out the way. Okay? Now, we're gonna take that one loose, okay? Remember, number 10 socket, extension. I'm using my cordless drill. Remember, if you don't have this, that tool is just as perfect, all right? That's it, don't take it off all the way, just partial. Go down, twist it, comes off, see that? It comes off. Now, go ahead and push the battery back. You gotta push it back because the battery slides up underneath the bracket. Push it that way. You see the arm? The arm is right there. Flick the arm up. Push it that way, just like that. Now go ahead. Go down, tilt it, take it out. Tilt it because this piece is in the way. Tilt it, and take it out. You know something, guys? No, I'm not gonna lose that. I'm not messing with it. I'm not messing with it. Let me see something. Okay, this one right here, have one screw all the way down there. You can't miss it. Loose that screw from right there and loosen this up. See that? Now it's loose. Go down and tilt this bad boy. Not coming out. Go up, tilt it, pull it out. Hey! That's how you do that, guys. Comes right out. All right? See? Comes right out. Now, I'm gonna put this thing back. I'm gonna show you guys something. Okay, guys, this is what I was telling you guys about. The 10 screw goes right there. You're gonna take the screw from right there, and this piece is loose. See that? It's loose. Comes out. Okay. Now, this is what I want to show you. When you guys go to put back the battery, you see the edge right here. See the edge slides into here. The side right here. Remember, it slides up on the knee here, and this side right here slides up underneath these two. So make sure the battery is sit in here properly, and it slides up on the knee there. Okay. All right. Now let's put this battery back. We're gonna put it back the same way we take it out. We're gonna put it in slant way. I'm gonna twist it. All right. Ready? Hi. See that? Just twist it in. Just go ahead and play with it until you have it in there. You gotta move it such a way, all right? Now this bad boy is set. The first thing we're gonna do, put that down first. Then put this back first. This one goes back first because this is what hold the batteries down. Like that. Then next thing we're gonna do, put this piece back. See that? Set that piece back, okay? Set that back. Go ahead, put that one back. Go ahead and tight. Tie that back. Then this one right here. Put this one back. That. Now we're gonna put this screw back. That screws for the bottle. This bottle. Put it back down there. Tie that back. All right. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put back this one. Put that back. Make sure it's on there nice and tight. Then, put this back. Okay? Then we're gonna put this back. Remember guys, this one goes around the wire. It goes around the wire. Put that back. You could do that, guys. It's pretty simple. You could do that. Just follow the instruction and you're gonna be all right. And after you're done doing what you're doing, go ahead, bang that like, hit that subscribe. Don't be selfish, all right? You could do that too. Yeah. They can do it too, right? You got the hang of it. Yeah. All right, guys, that's the end of the video. I done show you guys the points on how to take out the battery. I even show you how to take it out, replace it, and put it back. Just follow the instructions. You're gonna be all right. Go ahead and change that battery, baby. With that said, guys, support the channel. Hit that like and bang that subscribe, baby. Let's run it up. All right. With that said, I'll see you guys on the next video. It's the boy Rocky Wayne checking out. Bam.